Hello guys,
I'm Prince.
I'm Candy. So now we are doing a challenge. The challenge name is the kinetic sand challenge. In this challenge we will have the names of these animals in this cup and 5 plus points, 3 plus points and minus 5 points. So let's begin the challenge.
Who makes perfect shape of the animal and fast will win the race. So now let's begin it.
Alright, this. Oops. Potty. What's a potty? Oh, that's so satisfying.
So now let's make a toss.
Rock, paper, scissors. This. Rock, paper, scissors. No!
So mine is going to be first ones.
I don't want to get points for you.
So let's see what did
you get? Cow.
Cow.
It's
your
cow. Okay. This one. What would it be? Snake. Okay.
Snake.
So I had a snake and you had a cow. There you go.
Yes.
So now our challenge starts now.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go. There we go. Put it on there. That. And put it on there. And that and that. Perfect. Put it aside. There we go. Okay.
So I did first. So C.
The cow crashed.
The cow.
So I made a snake, of course. There we go, a snake. So
It's our next round.
So you got 5 and I got 3.
Okay. In the second round, Candy will take first.
I hope I get some points. What did I get? Giraffe. There you go, giraffe.
So now let's see what I got.
Monkey,
I got a monkey.
But that's my favorite. There you go.
I got a monkey. Our challenge starts in 3,
3, 2, 1, go. Oh no. You're doing so quick. I don't know how to do it.
I got it.
Quick. But you didn't did it.
Yeah, I did it.
No, the legs are crashed and mine is super cool. Look at that one. So I get a point, of course.
No, I did it better.
No, I get a point.
Okay.
I get 5 points and you get 3 points. So your turn. What did you get?
In this challenge, we also have minus point.
Yes, 1 minus points.
5 points.
Oh no!
I got 5 points.
Okay, 5 points.
Now it's Candy's turn.
Thank you. I hope I get 5 points too. This one. 3 points. Okay. I'm gonna write 3 points right there. I'm done. Now it's my turn to pick up our shit. There we go. I know everyone. Yep. And what I get 3 points again. I get 3 points. bad now.
Lion.
Oh, lion. So I won this challenge. You get 3 points. No. I won this challenge, therefore you get 0 points. 0 points. Dun, 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 dun. It's your turn to pick up first.
I hope it's better one. Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros. There we go. It's my turn to pick up one. What does it mean? Horse. There we go.
Rhino.
Horse.
3,
2, 1, go! No, that's my play. No, that was falling down. No.
I got it.
I do faster than that. So you got 5 and I got 3. No, this is nothing. I've got 3 points and you got 5 points. There we go. It's my turn to pick up first. So I got 1. And bear. Where's bear? Yep, I got a bear there.
If I get a point, she will lose the challenge.
Why? No.
Because you got bear, but I got points.
What?
Yes, 5 points.
No.
5 points for me.
No, you didn't won right now. But 5 points for you. And 0 for me.
0, right.
There, points.
It's my turn. This is the last round.
No, this is not the last one.
Yes,
Yep.
this is the last round. I got 5 points more. Come on.
Now it's my turn, but I won't get any points, I thought. 3 points.
Right.
I will get. You will get 5 points, and I will get
3
3
points.
points.
So now let's count them all.
So first, yours. You got 1, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
25.
Okay.
25 plus 3. 28.
How?
5 plus 3.
5 plus 3 is yes. And I got
1, 2.
1. 1.
No. Count 3s.
Okay, 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
5 3s are 15. 15 plus 5, 20 points.
20. No.
20 points. And the
And
winner is me. Come on.
no.
So guys, thank you for watching. And please subscribe to Prince Candy Official. Bye.
Bye. See you in the next challenge.